জায়গাটা একটু তুমি বড় করো না
একটু সাইড ওই মৌসুমি জন ট্রে bien comme ça ওই
हां हां और अपार्ट में सीएम साहब का हेल्प कितना तो नहीं कर सकते क्या कमाल यहां से ना
महाराज हम लोग उधर जाते हैं आप अंदर आएंगे तो बातें मैम
धक्का दियो ना भाई
आप लोग एक आदमी आ जाएगा तो मैं पूरा मैं चले गए
पहले ले लिया था महाराज बाकी सब ले लिया पहले
And for dengue and malaria,
all that testing
because Dhalai side we have a problem. Hello doctor.
A new system has introduced for the healthcare in Tripura tribal ADC areas. So what are more in the pipeline?
See, we want to make ADC the hub for medical activities, and it is my dream and my desire that not just for the tribal people, but for the whole people of Tripura who are suffering and who are going outside to Chennai, Vellore, Mumbai, Delhi, Guwahati for treatment, they can get affordable healthcare treatment here. Apollo is a big name. And Apollo has decided to come first to Tripura, that also in the ADC, and not go to Meghalaya or to Arunachal or to Mizoram or to other parts of the region. They are there in Guwahati, of course. So it's a big thing for us. My next pipeline is to start a blood bank, a world-class facility for blood bank. We will officially be writing to Apollo to set up a world-class blood bank, which will increase participation from the youth as well. And we should also have facilities where we can detect HIV, because drugs is a big problem. Injectable drugs are being used. So we also would like to have a system where we can detect HIV through blood testing. And of course a world-class blood bank so that we can have immediate response to certain emergencies. Following a lot of assets which were created by the previous government, but then assets itself don't matter anything until we don't utilize it. So we have taken existing buildings where nobody is staying, where there is no usage, and we have offered it to hospitals to come and start hospital there at an affordable rate. It should be cheaper than existing private hospitals, and it should actually help the population of the ADC as well as the rest of Tripura. That is one of our preconditions. And the second thing is we want people to come from Bangladesh once they get treated. The economy of our state will grow if people start coming here instead of going to Vellore, Chennai and different parts of the country. They come to ADC and get themselves treated. That way our economy will also come up and our people will also get some benefits. Look at cervical cancer. You can have ECG for cardiac patients. A lot of times क्या होता है कि हमारे बहुत लोग को छाती में प्रॉब्लम है, सांस लेने की प्रॉब्लम है, उनको लगता है गैस है, वो अगरतला नहीं आएंगे, वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाएंगे. अब ये हॉस्पिटल वहीं जाएगा, वहाँ में ECG हो सकता होगा. विमेन का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर और सर्वाइकल कैंसर भी, तो वहाँ में डिटेक्शन है. उसके बाद हमारे बहुत लोगों के विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी है, उससे आई लॉस होता है. तो यहाँ पे फ्री आई टेस्टिंग क्लिनिक होगा और हम चश्मे भी मुफ्त में दे रहे हैं एज पर द पावर टेस्टिंग. उसके बाद शुगर का प्रॉब्लम है. हम लोग बहुत जानते हैं कि शुगर का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है और हम लोग इसको डिटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो ब्लड शुगर का ये देखेगा. मलेरिया, डेंगू स्पेशली इन ढलाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज प्रेवलेंट. यहाँ में डिटेक्शन होगा और उसके लिए इमीडिएटली दवाई भी दिया जाएगा. तो ऐसा करके एनीमिक हम लोग के ब्लड का लेवल बहुत लो रहता है थ्रू बहुत रीज़न से, इस कारण है, वो भी डिटेक्शन किया जाएगा. तो इसमें इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्स है और ये पूरा सैटेलाइट से लिंक है. अपोलो के खुद एग्जीक्यूटिव ने कहा है कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ने कहा है कि ये इज़ द बेस्ट अपोलो हैज़ डन एनीवेयर इन इंडिया. ये ऐसा नहीं, हाँ, एंड विमेन एंड चाइल्ड को फोकस करके. एंड अपोलो का खुद ही का एडमिशन, आप उनसे भी सवाल पूछ लीजिए कि ये सिस्टम जो इन्होंने किया है, ऐसा नहीं कि हैदराबाद में ज़्यादा अच्छा है, चेन्नई में ज़्यादा अच्छा है और त्रिपुरा में कम है. ये एट पार विद हैदराबाद, एट पार विद चेन्नई उन्होंने किया है. आप इनसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि ना.
This is a comprehensive mobile medical unit.
which is loaded with lot of diagnostic devices. So it's not only about basic medication of primary care. It will also give medication in terms of non-communicable disease like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, anemia, cervical cancer, breast cancer in women. And it will be particularly focused on when you take a mobile clinic into villages. We have always found that the closer you take these kind of health facilities, more women, children and elderly people can utilize it. This has been our Maharaj's constant endeavor when he discussed this entire plan initially, and we have loaded everything, and the van can also connect to any of the doctors across India for specialist consultation. So overall we expect this will impact nothing less than 7 to 8 lakh people will get access to good quality healthcare, and it's by far a very large expectation, and we are very aggressive in doing this.
Is there any further plan to introduce more such vehicles in this?
Maharajji and the TTADC officials are aggressively working out to bring in more and more healthcare. In the line there is an EICU plan which is in way. He is exploring some international designs to bring in faster way how to do this. As Maharajji said about the blood bank, that is one thing. Free dispensing of spectacles is another service for the people. School children will get benefited. Quality of work will get improved when your vision is corrected. As I told you, EICU will now actually be able to stabilize patients and keep them here only. So those kind of advanced technology and healthcare services are emphasis. But the larger vision which Maharajji has is to make this into a healthcare tourism hub. Not only serve the people here, build economy around it. So it's a pretty 2-3 year long-term plan, but you're seeing that things are happening faster. Thank you.